Welcome guys to new YouTube video. Today we are going one way to the gym. Like I said on the last video, that some days I will be able to do one way or going and coming back, but then today I'm going to go to the gym. It's 7 o'clock and I'm going just one way. Then from there I'm picking up my girl to go home and do some dinner, be chill. So I'm actually going to work out now, so I don't have to do it really late. And then from there I'm gonna have dinner and just chill for the night. I work tomorrow at 12, so I didn't want to go and like be early in the gym. So what I decided was to have breakfast with my girl and just be chill for the day. So today is gonna be a video. I'm recording this video, but I'm actually going to just do one way to the gym, and that's gonna be it. Today is back day. Today I want to do more reps, more exercises, more sets. I have been getting stronger and getting more and more done. So today I want to do at least 5 to even 6 sets, different sets of a lot of reps, and do a lot of reps of different exercises. I pretty much have an idea of how I'm gonna start a workout. So we're gonna get this done. Drink some water. Oh shit, this is hot. Actually, I don't want this water, but it is what it is. We're doing this, and it's 7:15. I should be able to be home by 8:30 or 8:40, maybe somewhere around there, maybe even before that, if this traffic light moves. I'm not sure if it's gonna move. It's still on red. I'm checking to see if the camera is fine. Yeah, it is. But yeah, it's gonna be just one way going to the gym. Then from there I'm gonna edit this video and the workout itself, and then I'm gonna upload the POV drive from yesterday that I have ready on my YouTube channel. But I'm gonna do it tonight when I get back and I shower, because I'm gonna do cardio. So every time I do cardio, it's like sweating, crazy sweating, stink. So I gotta that stuff. So I don't know why, but I'm bleeding from this thumb. I don't know why this finger's always bleeding, like right here. I feel like it's the skin right here. It does have some type of problem or something, but it is what it is. I hope it's not that much people, because sometimes, you know, around this time it's kind of crazy, but I hope it's not crazy. Damn, that's a nice M340. Damn, he got it modified and everything. Damn, I was looking the car was green for me. My bad. The one behind me, that car was nice. That was a nice blue. Let me check the traffic. Let me check the interstate, which probably a lot of people, or some people, because, you know, a lot of people go out of work, you know, finish work. A lot of people finish at 6. They come from like 4 away, or a lot of people finish at 6:30. Some people extend it to like 7. Some people even 7:30, you know. So kind of like, you know, it kind of gets crazy. But I don't think there's gonna be that much people. Probably in the gym there's probably gonna be some people. Probably gonna be a little bit packed. I hope not. But if it is, I mean, it is what it is. I gotta work out and I gotta do it. You know, I gotta do what I gotta do, right? Sometimes it might be uncomfortable to, like, you know, record and do the content and talk at the same time, you know, doing, you know, whatever you're doing, but we gotta do it. So let me see how this looks. Oh, looks nice right there. All right, come on, bro. Can you get green, bro? I gotta go and work out, bro. I got like 6. I got like 6 or even 7 minutes in this like little, like right here. Like it was at like 7:11, 7:17. I'm still like not even in the highway, bro. Like, come on, let me go. God damn. 7:17. I still like haven't even taken highway. Highway is right there. Come on, bro. Can you let me go? Damn, bro. I hate when it's like that. I hate when it's like not packed or anything, but like a light traffic light or something, it's just glitch, or like it just takes more time than it's supposed to, and it just takes minutes from you. Like time flies. Like right now I was on the phone in bed trying to rest a little bit after I played some Call of Duty, and I was like chill playing some games, playing like a little bit before I go to the gym and then go pick up my girl. And I was like, you know, and then I realized it was 7 o'clock, and I'm like, damn, you know, I gotta go. Guess I could just go to the gym later, but damn, I don't want to be tired as hell. And if I do that, I'm gonna have to edit the videos really late, and I don't want to do that neither. So, you know, I don't want to do none of that. I am not into that. Man, it's kind of cold right now. What I'm liking is that the weather is changing. Fall is basically here, and you know, the weather, you can feel it. You can feel the wind. You can feel it's nice. You can feel outside. It's crazy. It's like really, really cold. So, you know, I love it when it's like that. You know, you want to go outside. You want to, like, you know, it's cold. So I want to see if I can actually do some type of like going out with friends or something. You know, it's kind of cool right now, the weather and everything, you know. Summer was hot, like crazy hot. And we still have some hot days. Like September is some hot days. And even October in the beginning, it might be a little bit hot. But after that, it's just going to be November. It's going to be, you know, that little cold that is coming in December, you know, January. And then from there, you know how it goes. It's going to be cold as fuck. Cold as hell. But I mean, I do like it, you know, for people that have a house, which I'm very proud of. I'm very glad that God allowed me to have a home with heaters and AC. A lot of people don't have those. Yeah, it sounds kind of stuff, but yeah, a lot of people don't have. But it is amazing having that. So it can be really cold outside and you're fine. So alright, so we're in the gym. It was probably like an 8 or 9 or even 10 minutes. I'm not really sure how much it was this POV drive. This is just going to be a one-way POV driving. I might put it on the title just because of I'm picking up my girl from there. I'm going straight home. So we're in the gym, Apex Gym. So let's see how it goes with all the people that are here. I don't know how much people are in here, but probably it's gonna be a little bit because people finish work at 6 or 5 o'clock, and they, you know, they say, well, let's get to the gym now. We can be done with it, and then I can chill in the night. We can watch a movie. We can, you know, which it does make sense. So that's what I used to do. So yeah, you can see that the amount of people that are here is way different than the time that I used to go. Come. I don't think all those cars actually are for the gym, but you know, a lot of those is probably from the gym. So, which actually my roommate's here. So, all right, let's get it done. See you guys.